Hi, looking for steam kit activities to do for your camp? Over here we have our DIY kits. They're perfect for engineering camps or other activities. So over here we have our hydraulic bridge. It teaches you how the hydraulic system works by opening and closing the bridge. Over here we have our Ferris wheel that uses a motor so that it spins around. Over here we have our dynamo generator. So it uses a sound sensor. For as long as it hears sound, the lights remain on. And then if you're quiet for a few seconds, the lights will turn off until another noise is made. Another cool thing is, if you turn off the battery inside, it shows you that mechanical energy can convert into electrical by spinning this wheel. Over here we have our igloo. Our igloo also has a sound sensor, so the lights turn on and off with noise. And then over here we have our teepee. As long as it gets solar energy, this will spin around. Here we have our original steam kits. Since then, the basketball catapult has been updated so that you can move this side to side, up and down. This also moves side to side and up and down. And so you can play with it in a lot of different ways. This is great for camps if people want to do group activities and build things together.